Chef Anthony here at Dawn's Appliances. Man, I'm in this awesome kitchen. I'm talking about tailgates today. We're gonna take salmon, wrap it in some bacon, add some smoky spice, and take it out to the Weber grill and smoke it. Yes, you heard that right, gang. We're gonna go on the Weber grill, normal Weber grill. We'll show you how to convert it into a quick smoker to get some great flavor and up your amazing grill game. First and foremost, apple chips right here, apple chunks. Look at that. Got about, let's say 3 big chunks here. What we're gonna do, wrap this guy in foil, all right? Just get a little poke out there just so it vents a little bit. Keep this off to the side. I'll show you how to put this on your grill when we get to that step. Next, star of the show, we got the salmon, we got the bacon. All right, we're gonna put this on the board and we're gonna cut this salmon up. Here's a nice little fillet. Sometimes you get smaller pieces like this, gang. You're gonna wanna go like this and just wrap it. Nice like that, so we can wrap it in and get it coated around some bacon. This guy, just like that. Nice little cubes. Let's say these are like 2-ounce pieces. If you wanna do a big piece, it's gonna take longer. This is tailgating stuff. This is bite size. This is fun to go on the board with your friends and, hang out with it. So we'll wrap that up. See how we just wrap that thinner side? Get a nice little goujonette or something like that, okay? Goujon, I would say. Another little cool word. Anyway, that's great. Bacon's our star. I'm gonna make a little marinade right in this bowl that I had the salmon in, okay? Got a little honey garlic rub, 2 tablespoons. Got a little sweet and smoky rub, another 2 tablespoons, okay? Boom. Put some black pepper in here. Probably a nice tablespoon of black pepper. Nice tablespoon of grain mustard in here too, okay? It's gonna add a little bit of flavor and a little bit of spice on here and kind of make almost make it pasty, I guess to say, all right? Nice and tight like that, all right? So here's the deal, all right? We'll get a piece of our bacon like this, lay it down, start a little assembly line. You got your friends, your buddies, get them involved, just like this. Look, I just want to coat this. Make it pasty. You don't want it real wet. You don't want it real dry. Just like this. Roll it up. Nice. Just like that. Okay? Look at that. Little salmon bacon bombs. Okay? Do the same thing on this guy. Get that paste coated. Another piece of bacon. You're going to see the lineup just like this. Boom, 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 boom. Look how cool that is. All right? Piece of bacon again, a little bit of the paste again. Boom, boom. Look at that. Boom. You want me to go faster, don't you? You guys get the idea on this. I'm going to do 2 more just because I need at least enough to, get the good smoking going. So, and I made them, and I'm going to eat them. So this is a rock star move. Tuck that in, roll that like that, okay? Then I'll just smoke one straight up, just to give you guys a little different look, a little angle on it, Grab the rest of that paste. That's a professional job, we like to call it. Boom. Clean your hands off. Crew, we're gonna go right to the grill on this. We're gonna get the smoker set up. Let's see this magic. All right, in here, gang, got the Weber, got it heated up. I put the block with the apple chunks. Look at the smoke coming off that, if you can see it behind my hand. Love that, right? So that side is on medium low. Man, we want to get it around 350, 375. This is going to take 12 to 15 minutes to cook this thoroughly because they're smaller pieces. If you're using the bigger one, it's probably going to take about 15 to 20 to get it cooked all the way through. Here's the cold side, all right? We're putting it right here. Right, and the idea is that smoke is going to transfer up to here. Got to shut the lid and make magic, man. Shut the lid. Let's wait 15, 20 minutes. We're going to have some amazing bacon smoked salmon. Yes! Yes! All right, crew. Weber got the smoker going. It's just about ready. We got it nice and low right now. Check out this salmon. Look at some of the color on here. You know it's done when it starts pushing back like this. It gets a little tough. Look at the ones that we didn't wrap. Look how nice they look just solo like that. So gang, I'm gonna plate this up right off the grill. It's tailgate talk, you know what I mean? We'll grab this guy right here. And look how nice. So I just got like your favorite barbecue sauce, just serve that underneath it. I'm gonna show you two. I'll show you the one, you know, here's your 2 different versions, crew, with and without. Look how nice that is, right? Great, look at the smoke on this. Rip it down, look at the gray color inside, huh? That's perfect for some salmon, perfect. Tail of the tape, there's only one way to do this. Get a little bit of your barbecue. Wow, great smoke on here, nice and tender. Barbecue along with the rub sweetens the deal. Let's jump in. We'll try the bacon version because that's the best version. Look at that. Whoa. Bacon overload. Just looking at it now, maybe I'd put some cream cheese in it, but you know, doesn't need it. Let's try this out. Smoky bacon, crispy salmon, Winter City on a Weber with a pack of charcoal, or with a pack of chips. This is tailgate living, guys. Let me know what you're tailgating. Tune in for all the recipes. I'm gonna hang out here by the grill and probably make some friends. See you guys.